and to all who are watching this video, advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is Jan Vincent Reydatos Sadicon, BNCE student from National University. It has been a month after Super Typhoon Haiyan devastated portions of Southeast Asia, particularly the Philippines, killing at least 5,796 people, leaving 27,022 injured, 1,779 missing, and a total damage of 35,239,886 and 330.67 pesos, both in the fields of agriculture and infrastructure. As it entered the Philippine area of responsibility, it brought damages and destruction in different regions, leaving homeless and lost individuals. But the point here is, how can we express our compassion to those victims of Typhoon Haiyan? Simply by donating something that are valuable and they can use. Also, we need to pray for them. Pray for them that God may give them hope. I just remember what Martin Luther King Jr. said, "We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope, because hope is what fuels our dying hearts." The Filipino people have always been regarded as a tight-knit race, that even mountains, seas, and sandals can prevent our extending helping hand to our fellow countrymen and especially to our motherland. This is all, and thank you for watching.